Here we go again for another Dana White Contender Series. James on top is going to fight Malik Hard Knock Lewis. James on top, fighting out of Peru, 13-0, 6'0", and if you're asking me, this guy kicked off his career horribly, but then at FFC he was totally dominant. He literally destroyed everybody, dominated everybody. His cardio is brutal, his right hand is amazing. He's got very tricky strikes. And Malik Hard Knock Lewis, 6'0", 76 inches of reach. Mike Winkeljohn's fighter, but he lost to Trevor Peek via ground and pound. Destroyed Paulo Silva, Marcus Vinicius, Giovanni Cruz, Tyler Smith. This guy always goes for all or nothing. He is not gonna take the risk. He is a risk taker forever. I mean, Malik Lewis is aggressive, pressure fighter. He wants to go for a knockout by any means necessary. And James on top will try to drag this into the later rounds. So I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. Side call. Let's say I'm confident in Lewis. I believe Lewis is gonna finish him.